In this video, I will cover error messages that may occur on your PAT 4.0 system. Error number 12, tie stuck, tool sensor obstructed. Also, depending on your version of firmware, you may get an error number 10, blocked or dirty tool sensor. This error occurs when a cable tie has made it up to the hand tool and a tie is either stuck across the tool sensor or the tool sensor needs to be cleaned. Let me simulate that error. Okay, it says tie stuck, tool sensor obstructed. Press the silence button. As you can see, there's a tie sticking out. If it doesn't come out easily, grab a pair of needle nose pliers and pull the tie forward towards the front jaw. Okay, now press the air burst button. And it shot the tie out here, so then you can remove it by just pulling it out. And now you should be ready to go. If what I've demonstrated hasn't cleared the error message, we recommend removing the hand tool from the hose. Try to tap the tool lightly to see if a cable tie comes out of the tool, or you can grab a cable tie and try sliding it in to see if you hit anything. Don't ever use a sharp object as it could damage internal components. If you do feel an obstruction in there, you can refer to the PAT 4.0 housing removal and tool explanation video to remove it, or contact customer service to send the tool in for repair. That's how you clear error number 12 on your PAT 4.0 system.